Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, it's your one and only VanessaK7. So this has been a highly requested well, I wouldn't say highly requested, but I feel like a lot of comments always get left in regards to my nose snatching and my nose contour and my nose. The last time I did a nose contour video was 3-4 years ago, so things have definitely changed. My nose is big. Okay, I'm Ghanaian, my dad's nose is big. I have a big nose. I have learned to absolutely love it, natural or contoured. I love it. I love my nose. I would never ever get nose surgery. I know I contour my nose to look like I've had nose surgery, but I'd never go to do the procedure. I would never recommend my viewers or subscribers to ever get a procedure for their nose if it's big. Just watch this tutorial and all your problems with your nose is solved. Get whatever you highlight your under eyes with. Get your concealer. Do your highlight as usual, so I'm going to do mine. So first step is drawing the line down the nose. A line straight down your nose. Under eye concealer towards your nose, like this. Get right up close, leaving about, I want to say, ½ centimetre from the line you just drew. So right about ½ centimetre to the line you just drew. Okay, so you're just gonna blend. My best friend of our time. Anyway, alright, so you're blending where you put the concealer on your nose, but you're keeping it within this, the area you put the concealer. And you can see that the concealer is now covering literally my nostril. What I like to do is blend the line down my nose before contouring it. I want to have more control over the contour. Really got what's going to make it or break it. So I like to have full control after I've blended the highlighted area out. I just squash like this, or you can use your finger, but I actually like to squash my beauty blender like this. Okay, a brush or my favourite, which is my pinky, and blend it out. Okay. I know I'm looking a bit crazy, but if you haven't watched my latest makeup tutorial when I use the Scott Barnes method, you're not going to understand anything of what's going on here. But focus on the nose, because this is what this video is about. So please, guys, don't judge me. Now I'm just going to use my contour stick. But if you have a cream contour palette, you might want to use a angled brush, a really small angled brush, so you can get precision, because this is the most important part that's going to either make or break your nose, literally. I like to start where my eyebrow begins, and then that ½ centimetre gap that we left between this side of our contour and our actual nose line contour, you're going to fill in with the contour, filling in that bit that we left. And then the other side, up, round like this. Let me just do the rest of my makeup and then focus on the nose and the blending. So I will be back. We're now going to focus on the nose contour. Use a brush, use your finger, but if you want precision, use a brush. It's an angled brush. Blend the contour like this. So I'm just blending exactly on top of the same lines I drew to just marry everything together. So marry the lines, no harsh lines. So I use my finger a lot to blend for this part of the nose contour. Yeah, so you can see this side compared to this side, right? In a tapping motion. I can see that I've taken some product off my nose, as you lot can see yourself. So I'm just going to take my beauty blender again and just pat over where I've taken product off over here. Powder up. I'm going to tap the powder on my nostril and where I put the contour on my nose, so the side of my nose. But avoid getting the powder on those lines, the contour lines. Just focus on getting the powder on the side of the nose, because that's where it's gonna hit in pictures or in real life. Powder is very strong. If you want to bake, you can bake. If you want to just tap it in, you can tap it in. I learned it from someone, the powder to eliminate the nose, my real nose. So I've got my brush and a little bit of powder, and I'm now just gonna set the contour line down my nose like this. I'm just gonna move any excess powder from my nose. Get your highlighter, and I've got my highlighter here. Now what I used to do with my nose contour is I used to highlight this bit and then that bit and then just leave it. That's why I'm doing this updated nose contour, because a lot has changed and it's looked better. Now I have learnt to take it completely down my nose, and the makeup artist that taught me that through watching makeup tutorials was Wayne Goss. His videos are, he gives like the best tips. I got my highlighter, and now I'm going to start from here and just take it down the line in my nose. And then if you're feeling, you know, a bit, I just want a little red nose there, okay, you can do that, but only a little bit. And I do it sideways. I don't want it to be so round here. I want it to be a bit like it's got shape in it, so I highlight this way. I really love to do as an extra step to my nose contouring is get a brown contour here, or you can use eyeshadow. You can use eyeshadow as well. And I got my little brush like this. Again, you can use a little angled brush, just a little precise brush. Dab it in, just a tiny bit. And I like to do this. Just to bring some shape into my nose, so it doesn't look like it's gone straight down. There's actually shape. And if you feel like you've covered your contour of your nose too harsh with your powder, you can again go over with a dark shade, just a tiny bit, and then do things like this, where I like to add a bit more definition, and that's it. The rest of my actual real nose, but it's all about the illusion of it. Even if I put a bit more powder here, it would eliminate my actual nose a bit more. Dab it here to eliminate. See what I mean? So guys, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not gonna do my eyelashes, I'm just gonna keep it as this because I just came to show you guys my nose contour, and I ain't going anywhere since we're all in isolation, so let me not waste any makeup. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. If you need any other tips or you want any other information, make sure you leave a comment down below. I want to say thank you to all the support that you guys are giving out to me anyway. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you stay tuned. How am I looking though?